Welcome back, everybody. This is Paula again. Thanks for coming back to the channel. I was walking through the garden the other day and I was looking at my zinnias and picking out some flowers for reseeding next year. And I wanted to go ahead and do a demonstration of that. I have some pictures that you'll be able to see here soon. These are the dried flowers. These are newly planted from said flowers. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing. At the end of these petals, and that should be coming up soon too, are the actual seeds. Can you see these? On the end of these petals are the seeds. These get planted about a 1/4 inch down in the soil, and you can literally, petal and all, just scatter them around, which is what I did here. Cover them up with soil. Make sure they get watered. Put them in a nice sunny place. And voila, you are done. These are annuals. They come in purple, pink, orange, white, almost a red mauve color. 6+ is the growing zone. Fertile, well-drained soil. Blooms late spring to first frost. And is anywhere from 12 inches tall to 4 feet. These, you can see, have the little buds already growing on them. They haven't reached 4 feet. They've been in the shade. But soon they will be big, beautiful flowers, just like this, in several different colors. And they'll come back year after year. They're an easy one to grow. My grandmother had them everywhere she went, and I plan on doing the same. And I just wanted to do a quick video, show you how easy it was, how easy it is to propagate these, and really, go get some. They're easy to grow from seed. 1 package of seed and you would have a field, honest. So, just something, a real quick one. It's been hot. You can tell I'm sweating my patootie off here. And yeah, that's it. I want to thank you again for coming by, and we will see you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.